You never think a knot matters, until the moment you need one and your hands don't know what to do. That is where Knot Tying Made Easy by Charles Prince becomes more than just a simple guide. It takes something most people overlook and turns it into a practical skill you can actually use in everyday life, outdoors, at home, on the water, while camping, fishing, climbing, crafting, or fixing something when there is no one else around to help. Because tying a knot sounds easy until the rope slips, the load falls, the tent loosens, the boat drifts, or the thing you thought was secure suddenly isn't. And in that moment, you realize knot tying is not just an old-fashioned skill. It is control, safety, confidence, and preparation in your hands. This book is built for the person who does not want confusing explanations. It focuses on helping you identify, tie, and untie different everyday knots in a way that feels clear and usable. The promise is simple: learn the knots, understand when to use them, and stop guessing every time a rope, cord, strap, or line is placed in front of you. What makes it interesting is how practical the topic becomes once you imagine real situations. A camper needs a knot that will hold through the night. A fisherman needs a knot that will not fail at the worst possible second. A sailor needs a knot that can be trusted near water. A homeowner needs a knot that can hold, secure, lift, tie down, or organize without turning into a tangled mess. And that is the real value here. This is not just about tying rope for fun. It is about learning a skill that makes you more capable, more prepared, and less dependent on luck when something needs to stay in place. There is also something deeply satisfying about learning knots properly. At first it may look complicated, like loops and twists that only experienced outdoorsmen understand. But once the steps begin to make sense, it becomes almost addictive, because every knot gives you a new tool. One knot may help you secure a load. Another may help you join two ropes. Another may help you create a loop. Another may be easy to untie after pressure. And suddenly, what looked like a simple piece of rope becomes a small survival kit in your hands. That is why Knot Tying Made Easy works well as a recommendation. It gives beginners a practical starting point, but it also speaks to anyone who wants to build useful real-world skills. Not theory, not empty motivation, just a direct hands-on guide to something people should probably know, but often don't. So if you enjoy camping, boating, fishing, hiking, crafts, DIY repairs, survival skills, or simply learning practical things that can help you in real life, this book deserves a closer look. Because sometimes the difference between panic and confidence is not a big tool or expensive equipment. Sometimes it is just knowing the right knot.